My name is Ami Vitale, and I'm a photographer and ambassador for the TreadRight Foundation. For the past 20 years, my work has explored issues around people and their relationship to the environment. Travel has allowed me to tell powerful conservation stories, and I don't have to go far for one of the most important ones playing out right here in my backyard in southwestern Montana. I'm in Centennial Valley, just outside of Yellowstone National Park. These protected landscapes are invaluable in providing us the opportunity to connect with nature and view wildlife in its natural habitat. For travelers, seeing wildlife in this way can provide a profound experience. Right now, nature has sent us a strong message and reminded all of us of just how small and deeply interconnected our world is. This is the most powerful moment to reimagine our relationship with nature and with one another. Saving nature is really about saving ourselves. Our fates are linked. And as we start to travel again, it's critical that we take an active role in helping to protect wildlife and the ecosystems we share with them. Travelers can support wildlife conservation by choosing ethical experiences and companies that put the well-being of wildlife at the forefront. At TreadRight, we want to ensure travelers are equipped with the do's and don'ts of animal encounters through our animal welfare policy. I encourage travelers to do their research. Stand with us by supporting a travel industry free of animal cruelty.